I've always had a keen interest in cars since I was little, which is why I jumped at the chance to join this bootcamp. I'm learning something new every day, whether it's theory in the classroom, where our trainers patiently teach us automotive basics, or where we're in the workshop doing practical lessons. What I truly enjoy is to learn from each other.
I feel that my trainer, he really helps us to enjoy the lessons even more, making the lessons all enjoyable for one another.
My experience was amazing. I managed to make a lot of friends here, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to be an EV specialist.
This Kia bootcamp focuses more on EV, which is the future of mobility. It takes significant amount of training and learning to become an EV specialist. Using state-of-the-art technology, we're not just building skills, we're building the confidence to shape the future, ready to lead as the next generation of EV specialists.
Here in Cycle and Carriage Kia, I think this bootcamp program is successful. So I think this cadet have a great future in Kia.
I can't believe the bootcamp is coming to an end. I'm really proud of what I've achieved. Thank you, Cycle and Carriage and Kia, for this opportunity to be an EV specialist. We're ready to power the future of mobility.
Kia, movement that inspires.
Cycle and Carriage, exceptional journeys.